Before you begin voice banking, we need to make sure that your recording environment is adequate. We know your time is precious. Please confirm that you're logged into your account and that you're in a quiet room. There shouldn't be any background noise. This includes people talking in low voices, air conditioners, fans, refrigerators, dogs barking, cats meowing, or traffic sounds outside. Please use a headset with an external microphone. We recommend the Turtle Beach Recon 50. Verify that you're using Google Chrome and that you are on a laptop or desktop computer. Make sure to allow VocaliD access to your microphone. Otherwise, we won't hear you. Now we need to check your room acoustics. Once you click record, be very quiet until we complete our background noise check. Great, we passed. Now we can make sure the microphone is properly connected and placed at a good distance from your mouth. I'll press record and say ah for 3 seconds. Ah. We are ready to begin voice banking.